Okay guys, after washing the hair, I did go in with some leave-in detangler, and I used this one by Kaleidoscope, their milkshake detangler, because it's pretty light and I didn't want anything too heavy on the hair. I also went in with some Curly Magic Curl Stimulator by Uncle Funky's daughter. I've used this before, I think in the past, and I forgot I had it, so I literally just added it to the hair. I added it on the hair, and then I literally just detangled the entire, you know, like unit. Even, is it a unit? Because it's a headband wig, but I detangled the entire, you know, hair, and then I left it on my mannequin head to dry. This is what she's looking like right now. Look at those curls. Like, the curls are beautiful. Oh my god, tell me this doesn't look like natural hair. This looks so amazing. I literally just left it to dry on my mannequin head, and this is the result. And guys, when you're washing your wigs, if you're like washing it straight out of the pack, what I did was keep this on, because this is the area that sticks to the other part, and when hair and stuff gets into this part, it's really annoying and it's hard to like stick it. So I left this on while I was like co-washing the hair. So yeah guys, we're gonna just like put this on. I still have my silk press in, and I don't want to mess that up, so I'm literally about still have my hair in the silk press. So my hair is still like somewhat straight from the silk press, and I want to keep it like that. So I'm not going to do like any products on my hair. I'm going to just put a wig cap on and show you guys this headband wig. If you guys want to do like, you know, edges and curls and all them cute stuff, you can definitely like do that. If not, you could just like put your hair back. I'm not doing braids either. I'm literally going to pin it and put it in the wig cap. That's what I'm going to do. Like, let me show you real quick what I'm going to do to tuck my hair away and put this headband wig on. Also, if you don't want to leave your edges out, guys, you can definitely just like put it on the perimeter of your hair so your edges are not left out. So if you don't have like edges or anything like that, you can definitely do this headband wig. So let me show you. So I just pinned my hair up. Like, that's all I did to it, and I'm going to put this wig cap on. And guys, you can use a black wig cap. I just don't have any, so I use this. Okay guys, so I'll be leaving like a little to none of my hair out. I have my silk press in still, and I really don't want to put any like edge control on my hair yet because I want to wear it some more. So I'm going to show you how to like wear your headband wig without leaving out much edges, and it's still gonna be cute. Or you can leave out as much edges as you want, girl. Like, the headband wigs are really very versatile, so if you have like little to no hairline, then boom, this is perfect. If you have a lot of hairline and you want it to show, then it's still good for you. So it's really just up to your personal preference. Let's get her on. Oh guys, and this headband wig, it has clips on the insides as well as adjustable straps right here. So I think I'll adjust that first before putting it on. We're secured just like that, guys. My headband wig is on, and I told you like this time I'm not doing any edges like that because I don't want to put edge control on my silk press. And this also shows like a good example for people who want to wear their headband wigs without leaving the edges out. So this is what it's looking like, and yeah, Okay guys, so this is the hair on. I'm really glad that I co-washed the hair last night. I feel like it added to the look. It feels so soft and it looks really nice. It looks really realistic. I am loving it. And guys, if you're interested in like this hair, all the information for this hair will be down in the description box below. And this hair is from HerGivenHair, and y'all know HerGivenHair comes through for us natural girls. Like, their texture is so on point. Their curl pattern is just like on point. I don't know how they get it this good to really mimic natural hair, but they're really doing it. So guys, I am going to try on some of these headbands for y'all so y'all can see, but this is literally how I'm going to wear this unit. No edges, no extra nothing. This is literally it. I'm going to try and style it with the headbands just so y'all have an idea of what it looks like. So I'll just like switch a few of them out. And if you're like this far into the video, please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button, please comment down below, share with your friends, and yeah, turn your post notifications on before I forget. And guys, follow me on all my socials. All my socials are at _CrownedK, and I think Twitter is, I'll leave it in the description box, okay? But all my socials except for Twitter is at _CrownedK. So like, follow your girl and support me. Guys, I don't think none of these headbands match my top. So this black headband looks pretty good. When I tell you this is perfect for when you really don't want to do your hair, you really don't want to do that much, this is super perfect. You can literally wear it, no edges out, and you're good to go. You can wear the headband like this, or you could tuck it behind your ear if you plan on leaving out a lot of your hair. But yeah. Guys, so I kinda did a swoop sort of like a kinky side suit, but I love it. I think it looks so cute. I literally was just trying to leave some hair out at the front, just to kind of cover like my hairline and to just give it like some pizzazz, because honestly with my hair just going back, no edges done, my forehead was just like stressing me out. So I wanted to do something else to make it look like super cute without touching my edges. So this is what I came up with. Like, guys, this is so cute. You don't have to like tuck the little bang thing that we did under. You can just like leave it to hang, but I felt like when I tucked it under, it looked really neat. Like, this is so cute. I really like this. Like, let me know if y'all are gonna try this. This is such a easy style. You don't have to do anything at all to your hair. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sending me this hair. I really enjoyed this unit. What I liked the most is that even though it's like a curly unit, honestly, when I washed it, it did not shed much. I expected it to shed a lot, but it really didn't shed much, and I feel like it's such a great type 4 kind of look. Like, it's definitely giving natural hair, and I'm here for it. So if y'all liked this video, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you like the hair, then check out the link in the description box so you can definitely like purchase this hair. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, shout outs to you. And guys, I have not done a crown crush in a while. I'm going to insert my crown crush somewhere on the screen. Shout outs to you. Thank you so much for supporting me. Like, give my crown crush a round of applause, guys. You could definitely be my crown crush. All you have to do is like my video, spam my comments, subscribe to my channel, of course, and turn your post notifications on. Like, spam me in the comments. That's where I pick my crown crush from, and I see a lot of the same people constantly supporting me. Big shout outs to you. I love you guys oh so much. And guys, we're on the road to 100k. Like, I feel it, it's coming. Let's get to 100k. I'm declaring it. Yes, I am. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.